If you're looking to create pictures to go along with lab demonstrations or lab instructions, this is a great tool to use because what you can do with this is you can create a picture right here that you can save as a picture and then insert into a document or maybe a Google Doc as well. So what do you do? So let's say there's something specific you're looking for. You can come up here to search and type it in. So let's say I want a table. There's my table. I click on it, and here it is. Then what pops up are a ton of instructions or options. So you can change it to white. You can change it to full height, just depending on what you need. Next, let's say you want a chemistry item, such as a beaker. So I click my beaker here, and I put it up here. And then options come up here. So for example, there's a liquid option. So I can change the amount, the color, add a layer. Maybe I want, a red and I want to blend that in. So there's a ton of options here. So there's also measurements. So let's say you want a balance. You can put a balance in here. You can add biology tools. So let's say you want tweezers. There's distillation. There's accessories. So let's say you want an ice cube. You can add an ice cube. And there's shapes as well. Next, what you have is the biggie is labeling. So let's say you want to label something, you click on the A up here and you click on the page and then you come over here and you can type in your instructions. Also, you can change the style if you'd like. Now, if you have the free version, what you can do is download an image to your computer. Let's say this is your first slide that you want to use, the first picture. Download the image, save it to your computer, and then make your changes. So maybe there's something you want to add or you want to change about the picture for, you know, part 2 of the lab. And then you download the image. And then when you're all done, you can hit new and you can create a new image for your lab instructions.